Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Helen and I will be showing you how I use one of my favorite all-time masks. So what I usually like to do is to do my double cleansing and then start off with a mask. That way it can take off any of the remaining gunk and any of the dirt that's still trapped. So come on, let me show you what I use. I'll be using the Sulwhasoo clarifying mask. Sulwhasoo is a renowned Korean skincare brand that a lot of celebrities use, and I've seen a lot of K-drama stars and celebrities represent the brand. So they are very, very well known in Korea as well as here in Canada. And it's kind of considered a more high-end skincare brand. So it's not for everyone, but if you can afford it, certainly go ahead. However, I did get this as a gift, and the first time that I used it, I thought it was so refreshing and so nice because I've never owned a mask like this before, believe it or not. Like, never have I ever had a peel-off one that actually worked. So I use this 1 to 2 times a week, sometimes only once because I like to mix in some of my other masks. And the first step is always oil cleanser because I have had makeup on, I have some lipstick and some brows, just everything. So we need to get those off and then we'll do the second step. I'm using the L'Occitane Divine Youth Oil Makeup Remover. I don't think they sell this anymore, but it's a really cool cleanser because you rub it onto your face and it helps to melt all the makeup away. And you can just add a little bit of water and it'll foam up really nicely and you can just rinse it off your face. I love this cleanser because it contains its star ingredient, the Immortelle Divine Youth Oil, which is famous for its anti-aging and antioxidant properties. It really helps to nourish your skin and bring a nice suppleness and brightness to it. Now I am going to use a foaming cleanser, and this one is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, one of my favorite of all time. It's rich in amino acids so it doesn't strip my face. This cleanser is pH balanced and rich in amino acids, which help to maintain your skin's elasticity and suppleness. It is also formulated with cucumber extract and rose water, both of which help to soothe and calm the skin. It goes on kind of slimy, I would say, the texture. See how nicely it foams up? It doesn't create those like big bubbles. That's when I know that my skin is going to feel really parched after like the Sahara Desert or something. So now it's time for the mask. This is a deep cleaning peel-off mask that works to purify and brighten the skin while minimizing the look of pores. Some of the key ingredients include honey, Japanese honeysuckle, as well as finely ground Solomon seal, which is really cool. You can actually see it in the texture of the mask. This finely ground texture helps to gently exfoliate the skin. Some other ingredients include pine, licorice, Cnidium officinale, which has been investigated by scientists for its free radical scavenging activities. This mask is also formulated with Angelica acubiloba root, which has also been investigated for its anti-photoaging effects. It also has ginseng root extract. Koreans are known for consuming ginseng in all aspects of life. So with this mask, there isn't really a set time for you to wait. You just have to feel for yourself when it is completely dried. That's the most important part. You need to wait for it to completely dry. Otherwise, when you peel it off, it'll still be kind of gooey under and it won't peel off as nicely. So just wait until it's completely dry. You can touch it with your fingers and I will show you how I peel it off. So I'm back and my face is so tight right now. I can't even smile or I can like barely talk. That's how tight it is. So now for the most satisfying part of this video, I'm going to start peeling. So you want to start peeling from the bottom always, because you don't want to pull your skin downwards, which is why you're actually pulling it up to give it a bit of a lift. And I am so enjoying this because it's coming off all in one go. And the whole thing stayed together, which is why I think this one is so fun, because then like you can see your face after. It's really funny. Now I just roll it up, throw it away. So I just want to do a little before and after comparison. As you can see before, this is what my skin looks like. And then afterwards, it is visibly brighter. It looks smoother and, well, apart from the little chunks, but yeah. So naturally your skin is still going to have some like little bits. So I'm just going to wash those off and then continue with the rest of my skincare. I'm continuing with my favorite fresh kombucha black tea facial essence, and I've actually just done a video review on this specific essence, which I will be linking in the corner, so please click on that if you want to see me give an in-depth review on it. And next I'm using the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. It's one of my favorites if I want to instantly boost my skin overnight, because it really helps to brighten and smooth out my skin. And then I'm using the COSRX Propolis Light Ampule, which some people have said is actually a dupe for the Sulwhasoo serum. So I'm actually very interested in that, and I might purchase that just to see if there is actually a difference or not, and maybe do a side-by-side comparison. But I love this serum because it makes my skin feel so plump and really, really hydrated. Also, I think I used a little bit too much in here. You actually just need like 2 or 3 drops, but I used like 5 or 6. And now going in with my favorite eye cream of all time. I think I've probably had this in all my videos so far, except for the black tea one, but I can't stress how much I love it. And I'm using the Innisfree Youth Enriched Orchid Cream. It's very, very heavy and rich, which is perfect for the nighttime because you really want to lock all the hydration into your skin by creating this nice moisture barrier on top. And gently just massage it into your skin. And I also always use a lip mask, and tonight I'm using the Bite Agave Lip Butter or Lip Mask. Wow, look at that glow and dewiness. Last but not least, I always finish off with an oil, and my favorite one at the moment is the 100% organic cold pressed rosehip oil from The Ordinary. I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I did. See you next time!